coordinated action goes faster. Didn't like that one, so let's play through the page turn on that guy, and we'll go ahead and do with gusto. In a glorious day, bright as a morning in May, I feel like I could fly. Have you ever seen the grass so green, or a bluer sky? Oh, it's a jolly holiday. It's merry. Mary makes your heart so light. When God is gray and ordinary, Mary makes your heart shine bright. Oh, happiness is blooming all around now. The daffodils are shining at the dawn. When Mary holds your hand, you feel so grand. Your heart starts beating like a big brass band. Oh, it's a jolly holiday with Mary. No wonder that it's Mary that we love. Chimney, chim, chimney, chim, chim, Cheree, a sweep that's what matters here. So, chim-chimney, chim-chimney, chim-chim, cheree, a sweep. All right, so shake out the tension again. And I did this before I recorded and practiced through Jolly Holiday as well. Just acknowledge any points in the body where there's tension. Exhibit love, exhibit justice, exhibit your own unique artistry, because that's really what this all comes out to, is that we create because we want to create. So let's try this again, right? So Chim-Chimney, Chim-Chim, Cheree is in E flat, right? So that goes. Oops. Nope. Wow, I even struggle with E flat. Okay. So E flat. So the flats in this key signature are going to be D, G, B flat, D, G, B flat. And that gives you your tonal center or your key signature, which allows you to stay in tune. And if you move from that A down to that G and keep the C, and him what sings Chim-Chim, Cheree, Chim-Chim, Chim-Chimney, Chim-Chim, and it's about 11 minutes in. Thank you. Thank you for listening so far to this podcast. It's not really a podcast. It's going to be more like just a musical theater thing. But with that being said, I do have some place to go today. And that place is going to be a fun place. But let's go ahead and look at Birds. Now, this is Mary's song, but I think it could be interesting. And this is for all you playwriters out there who like to listen and know about the way you need to know how to work in the instrument. So, with that, and what I was getting at with that is essentially Bert could be married. Alright. Now without that, let's go ahead and do shake another, shake a minute. Cool. So it goes. The saints and apostles down as he sounds her wails, and although you don't see it, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that he cares. The words are simple and few. Listen, listen, she's calling to you. We so this is the least rehearsed one of the song cycle. But we'll go ahead and replay it, and this time I'll sing. From the steps of St. Paul's. Let's restart, because I know what a diminished sounds like. And that is just basically your major with either a sharp or a flat, depending on your key signature, and the composer and how they want to notate it. Those are tetrachords, my children. You need to learn them too. Each day to the steps of St. Paul's, a little old bird woman comes. No special way to the people she calls. Come by my bag full of crumbs. Feed the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. The ones are hungry, the nests are so bad it takes without stopping from Poppins a bag. The birds, that's what she cries. Well overhead, the birds fill the skies all around the cathedral. The saints and the apostles. Oops, I'm sorry. Do not swear when you are in active rehearsals. You can get eliminated for swearing on certain sets. So let's go back to the top again. And I need to get to Winton Halls, but I have like one more second and I can do this. Each day to the steps of St. Paul, the little old bird woman comes. In her own special way to the people she calls. Come by my bags full of crumbs. Come feed the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. The ones are hungry, the nests are so bare. All it takes is tuppence from you. The birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence a bag. The birds, that's what around the cathedral, the saints and apostles look down as she sails to west. Although you can't see, you know she was smiling each time someone shows that he cares. A simple and few. Listen, listen, she's calling to you. Poppins, a bag, Poppins, 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 a bag. And with that, I was about 20-ish minutes. So what did we do? We worked through the F diminished section of the Jolly Holiday. So that's the secondary system in that. And then we worked through Chim-Chim and the end of the baritone, Bert, song cycle, medleys, steady. And from the Flint River Basin and all Greater Genesee County. I would like to thank you for watching this on YouTube or on Facebook Reels or wherever this is getting loaded up to. Stay tuned for more. And if you're in this area, say good things about Flint. My name is Mike Davis. Signing out. Have a good one. I have to go to Wettenhalls.